You know what? Before I used to think a lot that how Islam will spread across the world and how the people will know about the truth, because they've been so much intoxicated with the fabricated news, propagandas, and on the other side there is a saying or a hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in which Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said almost like 1400 years before that the deen that he brought will go to every house in this world. And I used to think how this is going to happen. And subhanallah, now we see from our eyes the blood of innocence, the genocide that has been done against those innocent people in Palestine. People are washing and they are reading Quran. They are opening the book of Allah and they're getting the message of Allah and they are accepting Islam. The blood of those innocent and wounded people and their patience and sabr is spreading Islam that has never been ever happened in the history. In the history, the people are opening the books, they are buying Quran, they are reading the message of Allah, and the message and the truth are revealed to them, or is gonna reveal to them, inshallah. May Allah bless, and may Allah humanity get the guidance. No Muslim is a Muslim if he is not think about the humanity. No Muslim is a Muslim if he is not think about the people. Every Muslim, if he is a real Muslim and he has Islam in his heart, he will always think about that how can we pass the message of Allah to the humanity. And I salute to the people of Palestine that they had done this job. They had done the kafara for the ummah, that the way their patience has given the dawah across the world, this has never been done before. Salute to them. May Allah bless them and may Allah protect them from all what's happening, and may Allah save them all and may Allah protect them all, and may Allah bring more and more people to the guidance, and may Allah spread the message of Islam, spread His message across this world, and save us from an ultimate loss. Jazakumullah khair.